At a quick glance, most filament tapes might look the same, but the backing material can make a big difference depending on the application. Let's take a closer look at two of our most popular filament tapes, BT021 and BT200. The biggest difference between these filament tapes is that BT021 uses a paper backing, while BT200 uses a polypropylene film, also known as a BOPP. Both tapes are reinforced with fiberglass filaments for added strength, but each tape is designed for different applications. So if you need a tape that can be written on, labeled, or identified easily, BT021 is a great choice. Its paper backing can easily be marked up with pens and markers, making it popular in manufacturing, warehousing, and product bundling or identifying applications. Need strong adhesion to cardboard boxes and cartons? That's where BT200 shines. Its film backing provides excellent adhesion to corrugated surfaces, along with outstanding holding power, making it ideal for packaging and carton reinforcement. BT200 is designed for light-duty bundling and strapping applications, where securing a package is the goal. So, to recap, choose BT200 if you need strong adhesion to corrugated cartons, packaging reinforcement, and light-duty bundling or strapping. Choose BT021 if you need a writable surface, reinforcing or strapping, and medium-duty bundling with higher tensile strength. Contact an application specialist or visit brontapes.com for more information.